Sanya, with Sooley, you're working on solving what is a very big problem. Here in Germany, 70% of people have some sort of problem with their foot, but only 20% of people have insoles that help solve that problem. And this is around the world a much bigger problem than people realize. How is the Sooley solution, scanning technology and 3D printing, working to bring a solution for people's feet?
The main problem is, in Germany at least, that it just takes so much time to get a doctor's appointment, a podiatrist appointment, and then in Germany the podiatrist and the person who makes the insoles are different people. So you need 2 more appointments to go there and then to pick them up. So some way you have to fit 4 appointments into your daily schedule, which is already full with like work and family and stuff. So we wanted to come up with a solution that enables you to scan your own feet at home and then get the insoles sent to you via mail. And that is what we have been working on over the last like 2.5 years now.
How does the scanning technology work?
We initially started, or had the initial idea for this company when we saw the quality of the Face ID scanner that the new Apple devices have since the iPhone 10. And this scanner, it's an infrared-based 3D scanner, is super accurate and super high resolution. So we wanted to use that so that people can use it and scan their own feet at home. But initially it was super difficult to do because it's just hard. Like the user experience has to be so easy that anyone can do it at home. And that is why it took so long to find technologies that really enable us to make it super simple.
So you're using the face scanner from the front of an iPhone, you place it on the floor and then scan someone's foot, and you're creating a 3D representation, a digital representation of their foot. How do you then translate that into an orthotic solution that's perfect for that person? This
is actually all a doctor's experience. So our job is to create perfect data for the doctor to make the analysis of what is the problem with this person's foot. And then the doctor will analyze the foot and tell us what kind of orthopedic insole is perfect for that person. We then print it. We finish it, there's like a leathery cover on top of it. We finish it up and send it to your home, wherever you live in the world.
Is there 1 or 2 major problems that these 70% of people that have issues with their feet actually have? Or are you trying to solve hundreds of small issues with feet?
Well, I think there's quite like a normal distribution, and around 50% is mainly like sunken in feet on different levels, but there are so many more problems, and we think that we can solve around 90% of them. And for the remaining 10%, when our doctor sees, okay, I can't really solve that problem, we will tell the customer, you should rather go to a doctor because we really can't treat that here.
Do you have a longer-term technology roadmap that you're thinking about now that you're able to leverage the face scanner with such high resolution and all the data you're generating?
We have so many ideas how we can improve the product and build other products on top of that. So currently we are mainly treating like foot pain, but then also we want to go into the direction where we improve running times or different sports. We can develop insoles for different sports types. And actually for that we are looking for specific sports people who would like to cooperate with us to develop these very perfect insoles for just that one sport.
How have you capitalized the business so far, and how are you thinking about your capital roadmap?
Well, most people say the opposite, but I have the opinion that starting a startup in Germany is really great because, especially over the last few years, there is so much help from the government to give you a successful start and enable you to get an almost free loan. So we have been taking two loans so far, and got 2 big grants. So we invested around just below $1 million into the company so far.
How do you think about Sooley integrating into healthcare systems around the world, starting with Germany?
We would really love to do that. And also, just here I had a conversation with someone who can help me do that. But so far we had problems getting into the healthcare system. Mainly because healthcare systems are very slow in changing their regularities, and with such a new product and a new approach, it just takes time to get there.